Hey guys, welcome to my channel Rejuvenating Travel and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to do unboxing and review of Sonata microphone model S111. The microphone is very helpful for those who are new to their YouTube channel or doing some kind of blogging, or for the musicians and singers who wants to improve the sound of their recordings. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Actually, I got this microphone from Flipkart, which came in a secured packaging, and it was an open delivery inspection from their side. So the package was opened once the item was delivered by the Flipkart executive, and I checked the item was fine inside, so I accepted the delivery. Now let's start the unboxing and see what we get inside this box. So they've given these two cards, one for feedback, and they're telling that they will give you 100 cashback if you give a 5-star rating to them, and another card which gives you the information for how to apply. It's like a kind of user manual. They're telling it's just plug and play, no need of any Bluetooth or any app for using this device, and they're advising to charge it 1 hour before using. So I've already charged my device and I can use it right now. So let's see what is inside, and then do the actual testing, mic testing. So inside the box they have given this is the main device, the microphone. Its build quality is good. Along this they have given also this connector, which you can insert inside your phone and then readily start using it. And these are some of the adapters. They have given different adapters so that you can just plug and play with any of the devices. Even you can use it while connecting it to laptops. Okay, this is another user manual. Yeah, this is a detailed user manual, and this was just a introductory manual, this one. And this is the charging cable. Yeah, this you can put in inside any adapter and then start charging your device. The device needs to be charged from here, this portion. This is a wireless microphone that's perfect for anyone who wants to start their own podcast, interviews, or YouTube channel. It's also great for musicians and singers who want to improve the sound of their recordings. The Sonata microphone has a number of great features. It's omnidirectional, so it can pick up sound from all directions. It also has a built-in pop filter, which helps to reduce plosives and other unwanted sounds. The specification says that the microphone has a range of up to 20 meters, so you can move around freely while you are recording. But while testing, I found the mic works best within 10 feet range. It also has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours of use. Now let's connect it to my phone and then see the performance. Now I'll connect this to my phone. Simple plug and play. And then I will turn this on. This is the power button here. So this one shows, this green light shows it's connected. Now I can attach it to my collar. I'm just opening my voice recorder and then we'll record some voice and show you the build quality of the microphone is very good, and overall I'm impressed with the Sonata microphone. Also regarding the price, this is I have got from Flipkart with the price tag of 999, and I have checked out other microphones from different brands like Boya or Digitech or Rode, which comes in very with the price is very high for those. The Digitech comes around 4,600, Boya comes around 4,000, Boya comes around 5,000, above 5,000, and Rode comes the price range of 27,000. So by comparing all those things, it's very cheap and it's quite affordable for normal person, and they can easily get this one and start their own vlogging career. So let's see the quality. I've recorded it. Very good, and overall I'm impressed with the Sonata microphone. Also regarding the price, this is I have got from Flipkart with the price tag of 999, and I have checked out other microphones from Rode, which comes in very the price is very high for those. The Digitech comes around 4,600, Boya comes around 4,000, Boya comes around 5,000, above 5,000, and Rode comes the price range of 27,000, quite affordable for normal person. So that's it. Overall, I'm satisfied with this particular microphone. I have to use further in outdoor conditions and check the quality, whether really it is giving me the specified output or not, whether it is fulfilling my requirement or I need to upgrade it to some good quality mic. I will let you know in further videos about the sound quality of this. But till now I'm satisfied and I'm happy with my purchase. So that's it from now. If you like my video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.